Guys, the next one in the series of credit card sized kits. This one's a robot. I'm just looking at the amount of detail. It's probably out of focus. Oh, how about that? There we go. Back and front. Hi guys, sitting in the car park. I thought I might see if I could put this one together. Printed it last night. There'll be details in the video description for the actual file. Hopefully I can guess how it goes together. The print is not perfect, but that's my settings on my printer, not a problem with the actual file. Okay, that's the main body. It's got little indentations for the hinges. What the problem is it's lifted a little bit when it's been printing. So it's got a little bit of a curve just there. Still, we'll see what we can do. I reckon these bits are the shoulders. Just move the camera a little bit. Okay, so I think that bit clips over there. That bit clips over there. And then his arms come out forwards, I think. Which is his arms? I should think it's these ones. What I don't want to do is drop any of the bits down the edge of the chair here, because they'll be lost forever then. I may be wrong, which is the arms and which is the legs. I don't think I'm wrong, but I could be. I reckon he'd go together nicely if we double-sized him. Made him bigger. So yeah, I don't think he's going to stand up on his own. That's a bit tight. Yeah, if we double-sized it, then the tolerances would be easier. Yeah, he just doesn't want to stay on there. You have to go up there. Focus. Yeah, well, it's a recognizable robot. But I reckon printing him double the size and those joints would work better. Because the tolerances would be easier to achieve if it was twice as big. I just swapped those shoulder brackets round. He looks a little bit more natural now, I think. Yeah, that looks more right, doesn't it? There we go, a little bit of blue tack under his feet, and we can get him to stand up on his own. Just. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.